Personally, I love technology, I love vehicles, and Gamber Johnson allowed me to bring those two together. There's really no other company around, especially in central Wisconsin, that can combine both the vehicle side and the technology side. I've been very fortunate as technology continues to evolve, so does our learning, and the team evolves too.
We have a lot of good team members that are willing to help you out. So if you do run into a problem, you have other people you can kind of fall back on. But it's really just try it, see what works. I mean, that's how you make some really cool technological advancements, some difference makers in the community, and that fits perfectly into new technology. As new technology comes out, we're constantly pushed to keep trying new things.
What's really cool is our cause at Gamber Johnson is supporting technology to help save the world. It's a very grandiose cause, but everyone contributes to that. No matter what you're doing at Gamber Johnson, you're contributing to that overall cause.
What I really liked was a slightly smaller company. I was really looking for something where I could be a little more involved and not just sit behind a computer. The fact that we are able to work with all your top vehicles, Ford and Chevy, and then on the computer side we're working with Samsung and Dell and all of these other companies. Through our partners, we have influence in changing some of this technology that's going to impact our community, our family members for years to come.
Gamber Johnson is a global company. Your skills are needed to make sure that we can continue to succeed in this market.